Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, you've been thinking about subscribing, yes, you should subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, Mr. Belle doing something different in the Power Eggshell, but first I want to get back to, if you haven't subscribed and you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today I'll be doing something different in the Power Eggshell. I had a lot of comments on, could I make some Gemini in the Power Eggshell? Yes, you can make Gemini in the Power Eggshell. It's very easy. It's not that many ingredients. You can put what you want to put in it. So we're going to get started making this Gemini. I'm using 1 box of Gemini, 4 cups of water, and I'm going to be using a little more than half of this beef smoked sausage. And I have about 6 shrimp. They was pretty big and everything, so I just cut them in half. So when I put all this together, we'll be making this. Well, of course, you can't make Gemini with this top on here, the grill top or the bake top. I wonder how I'm going to cook it. All my first time watchers, it's very easy to take it off. That's all you do. 1, 2, and off it goes. So I'm going to put this to the side because I'm going to be using something else today. Today for the Gemini, I'm going to be using the top. Many of you left a comment and say you didn't know where this top go. Well, the top go right here, just like this. If you're cooking rice, if you're cooking beans, if you're making a soup, if you're cooking anything that has to do with cooking, you put the top on. This is what this top is for. And this is for my first time viewers that didn't know what this top was for. I'm just explaining it. So you just put it on like that. I will be using this top on the Gemini. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it. I'm going to set this on simmer. Simmer, see it's blinking. So I'm going to use it right here, and I'm going to set my temperature for 210. 210, temperature is set. And I'm going to set it for an hour, and I'm going to set it for 1 hour and 10 minutes. You don't have to use all that, but I'm just setting it for an hour and 10 minutes to be safe. And I'm going to press start. Then it start heating up and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour my water in right now, just like this, so it could just get to start boiling and everything. Pour it just like that. That is 4 cups of water. I'm going to put this to the side. Mr. Belle going to get some of this out the way, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to start cutting this sausage up just like this. You know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. That's all you do is slice it up like this. Just like that. And just slice that up. You can slice it up however you want to do it, but I'm just going to slice it up like this. This is the way we like it. You can put whatever you want to put in it. You can put chicken, shrimp, sausage, whatever you want to put in it to satisfy you. But Mr. Belle doing like this today, and just cut that just like that. This right here going to be another nice, delicious dish for those of you who like Gemini. This right here is really nice. Have probably with some corn and whatever. Just like that. I'm gonna just slice this real nice and easy. Put it just like that. And this right here is cut. See that? This is cut. My shrimp is done and everything. So this right here is enough to fill in the rice and everything. I'm just gonna break these pieces off like this, and I'm gonna be right back so I can put it in. Okay, you see the steam coming out, the water's boiling, it's still circulating. Since it's not nothing else and it's just water, while it's circulating and it seems like it's boiling. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my Gemini rice and I'm just gonna tear it open. I'm gonna cut it, and you're not gonna see my face because I'm showing you what I'm doing. I'm just gonna cut this open. I'm just gonna fold this in just like this. Everything in, just like that. And I'm just gonna mix it up. Just like this, so it don't stick and everything. Get it nice and good. Look at that, it's looking good. And don't be afraid to use your Power eggshell. It's made for a lot of different things. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put my shrimp in there and let everything just cook right along with it. And I'm gonna put my sausage in. Just like that, and I'm just gonna mix it up. And I'm gonna let that cook. Mix it up just like that. This right here is gonna be another delicious dish. I'm just mixing it up so the rice don't stick or nothing while it's cooking and everything. So I'm gonna put the top on it and everything, but before I put that top on, for all my first time viewers and you watching and you have dishes to be washed, this is a great time to wash your dishes as they're cooking. Don't leave it for your spouse, don't leave it for your friend, don't leave it for your kids, don't leave it for your roommate. They might be hungry and might turn it down because they wonder who's gonna wash the dishes. If you wash the dishes while it's coming, everyone can enjoy this nice good dish. Like I say, and it is gonna be good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this cook. I'm gonna put the top on it. You know, Mr. Belle likes to take you step by step. We'll be doing this together. Maybe tomorrow you'll be having some jambalaya. Okay, I'm gonna raise this top up just a little bit because it's just only been a few minutes. But it's smelling so good, I just gotta raise the top up and see what it looked like and everything. And when you take the top off, all my first time viewers, you wanna take it off sideways. You don't wanna take it off like this in the back and drip all the stuff in back of it. If you drip it in the back of it, you're messing up the little electro, it might stop working. So I always take the top off like this, and I'm gonna set it to the side. And I'm gonna just stir this up. As you see, it's looking nice and good. The rice is floating, so it's not sticking. So that have a nice float to it and everything. You see the shrimp and the sausage have a nice float to it and everything. The spoon just go in it so nice and easy. It just floats along with it. So I'm gonna put this top on and let it finish cooking and everything. That's looking nice. I'm telling you, you cook this in the house, it's smelling up, the whole house smells so good. And I'm gonna put this top back on, let it cook. You know Mr. Belle like taking you step by step. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna try this one more time, stir this up and see how this cooking. Stir it up, like I say, it's been a couple minutes. So I'm gonna stir this up, look at that. It's looking good. Oh yeah. Looking nice and good. Put this like that. Oh yeah, this coming out real nice. Like I say, this is my first time doing the Gemini in this Power eggshell. And we're doing it together. put this top back on. Just like that. And I'll be back. Okay, we're gonna take a sneak peek at it and see how it look and everything. Set this to the side. As you see, simmering down and everything. Looking good, coming to its natural boil down. Yeah, that's looking good. Coming out just the way I want it. And everything. Yeah. It's cooking nice and good. Gonna let some more of that water get out of there. And we're gonna leave this top. I think I'm gonna leave this top off for a little while. And let it just cook some of that out. Just like that. Let it stay off for about a few minutes so the water could cook on it. So I'm gonna stir this up one time and put the top back on it. I just let it stay off for a minute. Put the top back on it and let it finish up. So I'm gonna take the top off. This look like, okay, this right here is done. See how nice it is and everything? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my camera, move my camera and everything. But before I move the camera and everything, you know Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. So you know it's been circulating. It's been circulating for about 20 minutes when the water was boiling, as you seen it. And I put the rice and the shrimp and the sausage in it, and it still was circulating. You can do it while the water boiling and everything, and it's still circulating. So when it stopped circulating, it showed the hour and 10 minutes. So right now, I still have that hour left and 1 minute. So actually, by the water circulating and everything, you say only took about 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes to cook this, as you see what I have left right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press cancel and unplug it, and I'm gonna take this out, and this right here is your Jambalaya. I'm gonna put it in the bowl and move my camera back. Mr. Belle will be right back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna take it out and put it in a bowl. Let you see how I put it in the bowl. Take this out just a little and hold this up just like this, and let all that nice good rice come out and put it in this bowl just like that. As you see, it's coming out nice and good. You know Mr. Belle like taking you step by step, so this is how it's coming out. This right here gonna be Jambalaya. Looking nice and good. See, none of it is sticking to the pot. So you got a good cook right here. It's a nice good cook. And this right here is your Jambalaya. I'm gonna cut this off for a minute and put this pot up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna taste it a little bit, let you see how it tastes come out and everything. Just get a little from the side and everything. And I'm gonna taste this to see how it come out. Give me a nice little shrimp and everything. See how this come out. That is good. That is good, so.
They can't see your face.
Like I said, I'm gonna taste it And I'm gonna see how it is. Mm-hmm. Tastes good. If the season that come in the pack is good too. And that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are cooking with the Bells. Thank you and hope you enjoy.